Hello there, this is Jeb Adams, and I want to take another look, you know where, right in there. At the bottom right hand corner of the screen is a red YouTube button. You can press that to subscribe, please, and thank you very much. Okay, we're back with Jeffrey, and yesterday we were right in there and we're looking at what we need to do to get this off the sewing machine, and we didn't come up with a resolution. Did a little bit of research at YouTube, couldn't find anything. There's not a lot about these machines, and they're very prevalent, like they're very popular, like they made them for ages, you know. So, and I don't think, even if I undo it, that the needle thread tension device is going to come off. But maybe it'll let the cover off, the front cover off, and I can see a way to get it off. Look at that. Upper thread tension assembly. There's one of the screws. That was the one I was going to try and take apart, and there was the other one. So I'm glad that we got to see it kind of in its entirety. We can see thread fluff in there. So here are the two screws to undo to get the nose plate or the face plate off, which has the needle thread tension device attached to it. So that's how we do it. That was what I finally discovered. So that's where the two screws are. So yeah, taking the screws out. Sweet. And there we have it. There's the tension device, needle thread tension device. Look at that, the hole. There's even the pressor bar lever. The whole contraption comes off altogether. Well, that's going to be very interesting cleaning that, isn't it? So there, I'm glad that success. So please subscribe. Thank you.